Students, first we will start with the first example. Here we have got one example. The product of two two-digit numbers is 1280 and the GCD is 4. What is their LCM? We'll solve it. I have written the same example in my notebook. Okay. Now what is the basic formula? Multiplication of GCD and LCM. GCD and LCM should be product of two numbers. Now these two numbers are not simply any numbers. Whichever two numbers you are considering to find out the LCM or the HCF, that two numbers should be placed here. Okay. The product of two two-digit numbers is 1280. That means the product is 1280. We will place 1280 to the right hand side. Now, and the GCD is equal to 4. GCD is equal to 4. We'll write 4 in the place of GCD. What is their LCM? We have to find out LCM. Remaining things we will keep same. Multiplied with LCM. Now what we have to do to find out LCM? When this 4 goes to the right hand side, it will go from numerator to denominator. Therefore, LCM is equal to 1280 divided by 4. Yes? Now let's solve the division. I will do the rough work here. 1280 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 12 minus 12 0. 8 will come down. 4 2s are 8. Again 8 minus 8 0. This 0 will come down. I'll draw arrows so that you don't get confused. Okay. Again 4 into 0 will be 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore 1280 divided by 4 is 320. That is our LCM is equal to 380. Got the answer? Let's turn to next point now. Use of LCM and HCF. We will discuss this example. First I will explain you what the example is. A shop sells a 450 gram bottle of jam for 96 rupees and a bigger bottle of 600 gram for 124 rupees. That means this bottle, smaller one, is of 450 gram which cost for rupees 96, and this is of 600 gram, bigger one, which cost for rupees 124. Okay, which bottle is it more profitable to buy? We have to find out whether this one is more profitable or this one. Okay. Now students, I have written the same example in my notebook. To find out whether to buy a smaller bottle is more profitable or to buy a bigger one is more profitable, we have to compare the two bottles. For that, we will have to find out the HCF of two numbers. Now, which two numbers you will find out HCF? You will consider the grams. That is, one is 450 and second one is 600. Let's find out the HCF of 450 and 600. We will find it shortly so that our time doesn't get wasted. Now 45 and 60. Do you feel something is common between 45 and 60? Which numbers table does 45 and 60 come? 45 and 60 comes in table of 15. So 15 multiplied by which number is 45? 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. Now both these numbers have zeros, 450 and 600. Correct? So 150 multiplied by 3 will give you 450. Yes or no? Same way 150 multiplied by 4 will give you 600. Now further, can you split down it more? No. 3 is a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. It can be splitted down into 2 and 2. But same way you cannot split down for 3. That is why we have to stop here. Therefore, HCF of 450 and 600 is equal to which number? 150. We got the HCF as 150. Now we'll write down in the proper format. 600 is equal to 150 multiplied by 4 and 450 is equal to 150 multiplied by which number? 3. Yes? Now we are about to get the final answer. As we are getting 600 is equal to 150 into 4 and 450 is equal to 150 into 3. Now we will find out the 150 grams cost. Okay, cost of 150 gram of jam in each one bottle, in smaller bottle as well as in bigger one bottle. What is the cost of smaller bottle? The cost of smaller bottle is rupees 96. And how many grams it is? It is for 450 gram. And the cost of bigger bottle is rupees 124. It is of 600 gram. Now, in smaller bottle, 150 gram is equal to cost of smaller bottle was 96 rupees. Correct? And for smaller number we got smaller bottle was of 450 grams. So we are considering 3. So 96 divided by 3. We will find out the answer later. First we will write down the structure for both. In bigger bottle, 150 gram is equal to. Why we are writing 150 both sides here? As we have got the HCF is equal to 150. Now, what was the cost of bigger bottle? Cost was 124 rupees. And 600 into 600 is equal to 150 multiplied by 4. Cost of bigger bottle is equal to 124 rupees. And the gram of bigger bottle was actually 600. So that's why we are writing here 4 as we are considering the bigger bottle. Now we will find out the answers. Okay. I will do the division part here so that you understand. 96 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 0. Number 6 will come down. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 0. So 96 divided by 3 will give you 32. Yes, we got the number here 32. Now we will think of 124 divided by 4. 124 divided by 4. 4 into which number? 12. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 0. 4 comes down. 4 1s are 4. Remainder 0. Answer is 31. We will write down here 31. This is rupees. So 150 gram of jam in the smaller bottle cost for rupees 32 rupees. and 150 gram of jam in the bigger bottle cost for rupees 31. Now you can say which one is more profitable? Of course, rupees 31 is more profitable. That is, the bigger bottle is more profitable. So we will write down the last statement. The bigger bottle of jam, what gram it was? 600 gram is more profitable. Okay, the bigger bottle of jam of 600 gram is more profitable. Thank you.